Alright, gonna try this Smelli Gelli Baff. It says I just mix the purple powder with the water. It says I need 40 liters, which is equivalent to 8 centimeters. So what I've done is I got a ruler just to measure out where the 4 centimeters go, because you fill it up to 4 centimeters, sprinkle the powder, mix it real good, and then top it off up until the 8 centimeter mark. And you should have a jelly bath. So I'm about to fix it. Alright, now I'm gonna sprinkle the purple cool stuff. I'm gonna set it right here. I'm gonna stir it. It says to do a little bit at a time. Alright, Bella is going to help me put it in, right?
Yeah.
You gonna help me pour? Mm-hmm. Alright, go. Let's keep sprinkling.
Yeah, because I love slime.
Yeah, we love slime. Hopefully this time will work better than last time.
Whoa, it's jiggling.
It sure is. It's so purple. It's so purple. Easy, easy.
Can you put that a little bit more in? Mommy.
Ooh. So now Bella is all dressed up for her jelly bath. It seems like it may have worked pretty good this time. What do you think?
It looks good.
You think so?
Look.
Stir it out a little bit. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, you're gonna take a bath in that?
Yeah, because I'm so excited. Last time I was going through my slime bath.
Oh my goodness. How does it feel?
Good. I'll sit down.
Sit down. Oh my
Where
goodness.
my feet go?
Where's your feet? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's a really jelly bath right there.
Yeah.
Wow. So apparently the
My
4
nose-
centimeters
My nose
works
was
really good for the packet. I don't know if I put more, if it's going to make it less jelly. I'm sure it will, but
Look.
oh yeah, that's super jelly. Now let her have some fun in it for a while, and then we're gonna show how we're gonna dissolve it.
On popcorn.
Well, the popcorn flavor was last time. All these have like scents, and this one is supposed to smell like bubble gum. Does it smell like bubble gum? Smell it. No, the jelly stuff, honey. Does it smell like bubble gum?
This though, it smells like grape.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess you're playing it for a little bit, and then we're gonna dissolve it. So the mermaids are taking a bath with you, huh?
Yeah, and go get my friend.
I did.
No, that's my sister.
No, I didn't know the
Go
difference.
get my baby doll. No, I'm talking to mommy. Everyone, sweetie. But her light's coming in slime. And go get my friend, okay? Go get them. Come in slime.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I'm the sister.
Oh,
We
okay.
can be best friends.
Oh.
And we can swim in the slime. Jump! So we just have this dairy slime that look like. So Bella's gonna touch this right now. So Mommy, I wanna touch it.
Ew.
That is so yucky, right, Mommy?
It is yucky.
Yeah.
Ooh, touch this side over here. It's thicker over here.
I know. But I need to feel this.
We added more water. We're trying to fill it up to the top so that we can dissolve it easier. Not to the top of the tub, but to the top of the line that we marked.
Like here.
And we put it back there. Remember? The little black line.
Move a little black line. Oh, I can see it.
Yep, right there. What's your dolls doing here?
Did this break this for Chelsea to come back? Now Chelsea to come back. Bye!
Oh.
Bye-bye. People. Where did Chelsea go?
I don't know.
And where did her mommy go? And where did Abby go?
They disappeared in the jelly. What are we gonna do?
Look, pink house. Let's pick it up and see who it is.
Who is it? Who is it? Oh, what's her name again? Oh, she disappeared.
I'm scared.
She's scared. Ooh, freaky.
What is that? That's the home. Uh-oh, where did all of them go? There's the tails.
There's their tails. They probably would be swimming a lot easier if they had those on. OMG.
Where did everyone go?
I don't know. Where did they go?
Let's see who's this.
Who is it? It's Ariel, right?
No, I didn't show you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Who is it?
I don't know. Let me read this.
It is Ariel.
Yeah. And where did the other mother go? Where did the other mother go?
The other mother go?
Uh-oh. The ball fell.
Uh-oh. Fix her bra.
I'm gonna take it off.
Why? No. You don't want her boobies out.
I just wanna fix it.
Okay, you fix it then.
Funny.
It feels
That
funny.
feels funny.
Don't put it on your hand, honey. It says just to sprinkle in the tub and stir it. Use your hand to stir it around real good, okay? Everywhere. Bella, behind you too. Get it back. That's where there's a lot of that jelly stuff.
It's on the jelly.
Eesh. Now stir it real good over there.
And it smells funny too.
Yeah. Now stir it. Use your hand to stir it. Stir it. No, real good. Now real good. Not just like baby stirs. Big stirring.